Today, take a look at the VEVOR concrete sprayer. Okay, so this is a nice big tank. It says on there that is a 5-gallon or 18.9 liters. There is the tank holder. So these are some fairly heavy wheels, solid rubber right there. They actually have bearings on them, so you don't have to worry about that wearing out. And we got our hardware. So this does come with a handle on it. It's actually got a nice soft rubber handle on there. That's going to be very nice so that we can transport this thing without having to bend over to grab the thing. So happy they did that. So let's drop the wheels onto the axle. Got a little rubber cap here to protect the threads. And then thread on our lock nut. So on the top we got these hooks that's going to sit on this bar. Handle's going to drop in through the top. And we'll feed the bolt in through there. On the other side we got our wing nut, and that'll hold that in place. So what's nice about having all hand tools to hold this thing together is that if we ever need to break this thing apart, so if we need to throw that into a vehicle or something like that, we can easily do that. So I did find the instructions. Those are in full color. We've got the 5-gallon, does have that trolley included. It has a working pressure of 25 to 60 psi. And here's something I didn't expect. They actually gave us 2 different hoses. So we got a nice long one in the event that we need to get some reach, or if we just want everything to be nice and tightly contained, we can use this nice little short guy. I'm going to use the longer hose. And this does have a compression seal on the inside, so you do not need to use any kind of plumber tape or anything like that. Okay, so we got replacement seals, that's always nice. And we have got our handle. So thread the other side to the handle. So here is our nozzle, and that does already come with a tip pre-installed. So it looks like we have got a second tip in here. So it is a different style. This is going to be more of a round tip. This is going to be more of a flat tip. So you can choose whatever is going to be best for your application. And we just thread that guy on. And then if we spin this guy to the left, we can see that that unlocks, and then we can pull the whole pump out. And on the inside, we can see we just got a simple container. There is a nozzle right here, so that is going to allow us to make sure that when we pump this guy up, we'll be able to suck fluid from the bottom. Don't have to worry about leaning this guy, anything like that. So I got about 1 gallon of water in there. Drop our cap back on, and I do appreciate that this cap is actually made out of metal. So this does have a locking position. If we press down, we can turn that and we can pull it up. And then you just pump it up. Nice. Definitely has a nice wide pattern on there. Whenever you're trying to cure your concrete, this will be an excellent way of making sure that you're not getting any kind of cracking or anything in it. It does take a little bit of time, take a little bit of effort, but it's going to be much better than taking a hose and just spraying it down, create all kinds of extra problems. This will give you a nice, simple, even surface. Cool. So overall, that is a very nice little sprayer.